शीतोष्णा सुखदुःखदाः आगमापायनो नित्यास्तांसि तिक्षस्व भारत.
Tough times will come and go away. We should learn to tolerate them without getting affected by them. Nothing is permanent in this world.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुर् मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इति यम्मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा.
The 8 components of God material energy are fire, water, air, space, mind, intelligence and ego. These all 8 components of God material energy also known as Prakriti. God glances at it when he wished to create the world.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्.
When there is a decline of good and increasing bad, God takes birth on earth in any form to destroy the bad to protect the good.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूत् मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि.
We should not focus on the end results. We should focus on our work, and the end results will automatically fall in place.
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
When a man gets anger, he loses his intelligence and falls down rude. So when a man gets anger, he should calm down and think what happened.
दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः विगरादभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते.
The man who is not affected by 3 4 measures are animals, nature, his own mind and body, anger, jealous, pleasure and all the birds is known as a sage, a stable mind and perfect knowledge.
उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुर् आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः.
Success and failure are in our hands. Nobody is responsible for our success and failure. We should push ourselves to do the things.
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं गुरुदे लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
A great leader follows the rules, a common man follows in its footsteps, and whatever standards it sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues.
तस्मादज्ञानसम्भूतं हृस्तं ज्ञानासीनात्मनः चित्वैनं संशयं योगमातिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ भारत.
We should not think about our past and future. We should think about our present and do the things in present.
नास्ति बुद्धिरयुक्तस्य न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयतः शान्ति अशान्तस्य कृतः सुखम्.
The individual mind whose actions are not in control cannot attain peace. Without peace, there is no possibility of happiness.
अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यथा स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते.
We should speak truth in a pleasant way. We should not speak untruth even though it's in a pleasant way.
काम एष क्रोध एष रजो गुणसमुद्भवः महाशनो महापाप्मा विद्येनमिह वैरिणम्.
We should consider desire and anger as our enemies. When desire and anger cross their limits, a man commits mistakes. That is the reason we should consider desire and anger as our enemies.
यदा दीपो निवासस्थो निगते सोपमा स्मृता योगिनो यत चित्रस्य युञ्जतो योगमा a candle in air, it flickers. But when we light a candle where there is no air, it doesn't flicker. In the same way, when a man is doing meditation, his mind doesn't get distracted.
दातव्यमिति यद्दानं दीयतेनुपकारिणि देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं श्रुतम्.
Helping others is good. We should not expect anything from them. We should help a person in a right time and in a right place.
श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणा परधर्मा स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयात् परधर्मो भयावहः.
Life is short, we should utilize time in a proper way. Others should not do our duties and we should not do their duties.
संकल्प प्रभवान् कामान् त्यक्त्वा सर्वान् शेषतः मनसैवेन्द्रियग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः.
One should have determination to their goals. If their success is delayed, they should not get discouraged, and one should have focus to their goals.
तद्वेद्यि परिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेशन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. We should clarify our doubts and share our knowledge with others. Every second from our birth to death is learning stage. We should give gratitude to our teachers and people who teach us. पश्य मे पार्थरूपाणि शतशोधसहस्रशः नानाविधानि दिव्यानि नानावर्णाकृतीनि च. Just like a big box of crayons, the world is full of incredible sights and wonderful creatures. We should explore them and enjoy them. We should have more curiosity about them. नेहा विक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमभ्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. A small act of kindness can lead to big success and stay away from harm. It can also change a person's day into a positive day. Tam vedya dukkha samyoga वियोगं योगसंवितं सनिश्चयेन योक्तव्यो योगो निर्विण्णचेतसा.
Through the practice of yoga, one can achieve equality in their life, feeling calm, happy and strong. The main purpose of yoga is to increase the capacity to respond skillfully and gracefully in life difficulties. Yoga practicing fosters a positive nature in you.
अहिंसा सत्यम अक्रोधस् त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनम् दया भूतेष्वलोलुप्तं माधवं हीरचापलम्.
We should be kind, respectful, truthful, sharing. Do not change your mind too quickly. Caring for animals and humans.
समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरं विनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति.
We should be kind and respectful to others, no matter they are big or small, as God exists in everyone.
योगी युञ्जीत शततम् आत्मानं रहस्यस्थितः एकाकीयत चित्तात्मा निराशीर परिग्रहः.
Student always focuses, avoids distractions and practices calmness.
नहि ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रं यः विद्यते तत्स्वयं योगसंसिद्धं कालेनात्मानं विन्द्यति.
Nothing is purer than knowledge. A person who is disciplined and practices it regularly gains it over time.
त्याजं दोषवदित्येके कर्म प्राहुर्मनीषिणः यज्ञदानतपः कर्म न त्याजमिति चापले.
Instead of avoiding work, we should do good actions like helping others, studying well, praying, being kind and sharing what we have with a happy heart and without selfishness.